Hello everyone. Today we talk about how to fix the app of SuperVpn. We will go to settings. You will click on apps. After that you will search the app SuperVpn and you will click. You will on for stop. After that you will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store and you will update your app. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for attention.